party in my mouth. And it's a healthy party. Greetings, Dr. Victor here. Today, sharing with you the most amazing, godlike, homemade ice cream recipe that you're gonna see. It's healthy, natural ingredients, it's easy to make, it's tasty, it's high in protein, and it's gonna fill you up for the rest of the day. Trust me, you're gonna love this. And you're just gonna need 4 ingredients. Frozen fruit, ice cubes, milk, and a cup of protein powder. Whatever kind of flavor you like, any kind of whey protein powder. 300 grams of frozen fruits, 1 cup of whey protein powder, some ice cube in this house, and 300 milliliters of any kind of milk you like. What's beautiful about this recipe is that you're not gonna need some amazing blender or ninja blender, some weird chemicals to make this happen. I have this 5-year-old blender that I paid about 30 bucks for this. I'm not even sure who made this blender, but it doesn't matter. It's just a $20 to $30 blender, and that's all you're gonna need. First off, you're gonna need 300 milliliters of any kind of milk you like. I use lactose-free cow's milk because my lactose enzymes are bored for about the last 10 years, so this is what I need to do. Now, my body was like, "Hey Victor, you like dairy?" "Yeah, I like dairy." "Well, we don't like you eating dairy." "Okay, there's nothing I can do about that. Well, you can choose vegetable milk or lactose-free milk. If you want even less calories, you can use unsweetened almond milk or whatever. Then after you add the milk, you add 1 cup of protein powder. I have vanilla flavor. Vanilla works amazing with this recipe with frozen strawberries, but you can use whatever kind of flavor you wish. You know, mix it up. Try something new, so you're not gonna get bored. But I promise you, you're not gonna get bored of this. And then you mix it up just with the protein powder. Turn up some magic in this house. Then you start adding the frozen fruit. Right here I have some frozen strawberries, but you can use any kind of frozen berries. Those work the best. Blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, whatever. If you want even lower calories, choose strawberries or raspberries. First, let's go with half. And listen, if it's gonna jam or block, no problem. You're just gonna stop it for a few seconds and stir it around with a spoon, and then it's gonna start straight again. So basically, it shouldn't take more than 3 to 4 minutes for you to make this beautiful ice cream. Now we're gonna add the ice cubes. Add half of the cubes right now.
No!
Ice cubes in the house. Beautiful, I can already feel it. Yeah, it's promising. Put in the rest of the frozen fruits, put in some more of the ice cubes, and now guess what? We start over again, like in life. That's a good sound. That's the sound of success. Come with me if you want to live.
Come with me if you want to live.
Here is how it should look, the consistency. Something like this. This is how it should look when you blend it. Oh! It's pretty much done. Look at this thing right here. You can make it even bigger. I didn't put fully 300 grams of frozen fruit. I put a little bit less, also the milk as well. And the frozen cubes weren't really that frozen. So if I were to have fully frozen cubes, it would be even a greater consistency, close to ice cream. But this is how it looks. Look at this thing, it's bigger than my head, and all of this thing right here is under 300 calories. All of this beautiful ice cream right here. It's amazing. So, macros for this, we have under 300 calories, 30 grams of protein for the milk variant, 1.5% milk, no lactose. 1 cup of protein powder, you can choose whatever kind of flavor you like. With vanilla, it goes really well with strawberries, I found, but you can try it with chocolate, but I'm bored of chocolate. And leave in the comments what flavor did you found that goes the best with this type of recipe. It also has under 30 grams of net carbs for this strawberry variant. Of course, if you're gonna choose banana or higher carbs variants of fruits, it's gonna be higher. And the most beautiful thing about this recipe is that you don't need any other chemicals. I saw different types of videos about homemade ice cream that has different kind of chemicals that's gonna make it thicker, like xanthan gum or whatever kind of chemicals. No, I don't want chemicals in my body. This is just beautiful. 4 ingredients. You can even skip the protein powder and just have 3 ingredients, but this is better. And it's natural. It's so filling. If you eat this whole thing, you're gonna be full, and you're gonna be so satisfied. Oh no! Whoops! But you didn't see anything. I'm really safe in my kitchen. Also, if you want it even sweeter than this, although it's pretty sweet, you can add stevia or stevia drops, stevia powder, whatever kind of sweetener you like. If you want to bring the consistency even more to ice cream, you can add even more frozen cubes, or you can stick this in the freezer and it's gonna be even more like ice cream. Now, if you put it in the freezer, it's gonna resemble something like this, which is even more like ice cream. Or if you want to make it even richer, you can add some peanut butter powder that's not that high in fat. I use the peanut butter powder from my protein that is with stevia, so it has even less calories. Let's taste it. I tasted already this for about 30 times, but the 31 time is still really good. It's just beautiful. It's like a party in my mouth. And it's a healthy party and a tasty party. This, if I were to rate it taste-wise from 1 to 10, if I'm being honest, it's a 9. It's not godlike, overwhelming taste, a 10. But it's still a 9, and taking into account that it just has 4 ingredients and it's pretty much all natural, homemade, and it's gonna make you full for such a big part of the day, and it just has under 300 calories, this whole thing. It's a 10 on my part. This thing is a 10. It's like an ice cream that stood in the sun for about 15 minutes, you know? And it's really good. Beautiful. So, that's the recipe. I hope you liked it. Leave in the comments if you think this was interesting and if it looked good. And also, if you try it at home, please try it at home. It's gonna blow your socks off, and it's also an amazing food for any one of you that wants to diet, or it's even a good muscle building food because this little thing right here has 30 grams of protein. So, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna go enjoy this ice cream and then go do some physical activity, and we'll see each other next time. Like, subscribe if you enjoyed the comment. What was that? Like, subscribe if you enjoyed the comment. Like, subscribe if you enjoyed the content, and salud. It's really good.